I'm gonna roll on my back. Roll on my back, and I'm gonna look at you.
Wookie!
What? Wookie!
Yeah.
Wookie is right.
You not even have. All you have to say is Star Wars, and you got it.
Yeah, you got it.
Chewbacca the Wookie.
That's right. You know where we're going with this.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay.
Got it.
Okay. What is the name of a new recruit?
No.
You're right. It's so much better to eat them like that. It
So
really
much
is.
better.
Play along at home, unless you're a child in a car with a stranger, in which case get your foot straight through that passenger window, make your way to freedom would be my advice to you. As you're always banging on about because they're gay. That was gay. Either way, if you are gay, come out. Maybe you should start an advice segment on One's broadcast. Now it's very interesting that she uses the word one. Perhaps it is Camilla Parker Bowles. However, if you do need a friend to write you some barbed and cruel comments because you're unwisely participating in a Comedy Central show called
Roast Battle,
which the title of which should have told me that they're called Comedy Roast Battle. Well, this would be a nice environment for a sensitive person, right? Like, if you want to be tooled up. They had a sort of a guillotine gate. The gate catch sort of sealed together two gates, like a guillotine. You know, a guillotine like
just like a normal gate that goes down.
No, mate, no, because it's a latch that goes over both gates. So very binding, very frozen. You know, it binds together the two things. I want you to have the image of a frozen bracket. Now, I was just thinking about how well behaved their dogs were, having dropped off their packages, so their dogs stopped barking as I was sort of reversing back towards the gate. Just to keep my eyes on them, because you never know, do you, mate? You never ever know. Anyway, the guillotine landed down on my face.
Taking the Lord's name in vain. I actually said that.
You said, look, taking the Lord's
and then
name
I thought,
in vain.
listen to me saying that.
Build up over a few weeks, like a countdown. There's a thermometer like on Blue Peter going up and up and up. And then, like, you know, there were sort of interviews with people that had met the colouring pencils being broadcast on big screens in the playground. What's that one that's for the Zoroastrians? And the one called... Yeah, them. Don't they have one? Whatever image system you use to align your relationship with the unknown with, Brian Cox, it will be something to do with science. What do you do over Christmas?
I will be, realigning my relationship with the unknown using wine. I thought you peaked too soon.
I had to be about 3 peaks in there, but as you know from my past, there's something I can do. Ultimate climax is something that old Russ used to offer. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we have brought this live fiasco to a conclusion, a carnival. Mate, I was Azerbaijani as you like.
Ashkenazi.
I was Ashkenazi as the best of them. I was Ashkenazi, all right, and I was part. What's the other thing I am nearly? Mesopotamia. Come to Mesopotamia. That's right.
I have seen it.
That is an advantage.
So for those of you, well, you can tell everybody what it's about. It's called Snowdon, and it's a true story based on a very, very true story.
Yeah, well, the guy Edward Snowden, he's famous in the States for he used to work for the NSA, which is, I guess, sort of like GCHQ here, and he took classified information and he delivered it to journalists, and this revealed a lot of sort of illegal and...
Tell us a bit about Nigel for those new listeners who may not know anything about it.
Nigel is he's a lovely chap. He's very enthusiastic, wants to join in, likes phoning up.
Yeah, but that was in the days before you had to do whatever you could.
I love how your dad was an accomplice.
Oh, hey, yeah. One day I'll tell you a story about when my dad actually robbed the bank. Okay. He did it, that's a joke.
Radio X, the Chris.
How fast was the bloody train going?
Radio X, the Chris Moyle Show.
Always priority. O2 customers can get priority tickets to thousands of gigs.
I'm sorry, I was
There's no profit from that night, though.
There is not. I'll be in the red.
Yeah, you would.
All the girls have said don't work for free. They just want to be able to have their drinks for free.
Oh, I can do that.
How much was that? Are you what? Are you wise?
That's a few grand.
You're crazy. Right, no, we got off the look with a tour. There are a few dates left.
Well, will I see you at the South Centre on Sunday?
On Sunday? Well, yes, I would love to be there if I'm around.
So,
Can you give me meatloaf, please?
No questions needed, though.
Okay, fine. I didn't even know Meatloaf was in that movie. No.
Radio The Chris Miles Show. Radio X.
And Alan in Durham has sent a text saying, "Morning, Moyles.
That's nice, isn't it?
Rub some Vicks Vapor Rub over your feet before you go to bed tonight. Put a pair of socks on and get a good night's sleep. It works wonders. I haven't had man flu, or a cold, for about 3 years. Well, Alan in Durham, I did that last night. Just why I did this, I have no idea, because I don't think I have man flu in my feet. But I did. I've heard this, and I did put a bit of the Vicks on my feet.
How can that work?
Listen.
I know your foot's connected because you went...
I went to see a woman. I paid to see a woman the other day who told me to hold this metal tube, right, while she put some needle on my foot and made a machine go woo woo woo. And I wish when I got to Radio 1, Sam Mayo or someone like that, Nicky Campbell would have taken me inside and said, "Listen,
Set you down.
first of all, watch her over there. She's a woman. Secondly,
It helps me with the shopping list, if you like, so I don't have to walk around with a piece of paper. And the song that works for me is, do you know the song Shwaddy Waddy Under the Moon of Love?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, so I use that as the song. And then
really? I mean, I kind of get it. Like, my friend Gav does it, and he goes, it's really good because it distracts him from being in the gym.
Oh no, what I meant was I like the thought of heels doesn't even sound like slippers.
Whatever, the two are even worse. That'll do now. Right now, you need to get onto the punch bag. That's what you need to do. We need to go on the punch bag. Come. This is music for people who are listening to it.
You know, mate, that your thigh is flat, almost flat.
I thought it felt a bit weird. All right, thank you.
I have a pump.
Yeah, it wasn't like that yesterday, so I think I don't know if it's gonna be enough.
I want a pump.
Black Friday starts today. That's right.
Is it? It's online as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I hope it doesn't. There's always some idiot that takes it too far. And God forbid that won't happen this year. But I fear it will.
Shows in other states, but I think with this tour I'm just going to go back to New York.
For those of you not aware of him, he comes into your head.
Are you in a constant state of panic?
I don't think I am. I don't think I am, because I know deep down I'm not one of these people that thinks, "Oh, I hope I don't punch that old lady in the face at dinner party." I don't, you know what I mean? And I didn't feel guilty. I didn't do anything wrong to get it, or I couldn't have helped. Couldn't do anything to help. But I just think I sometimes feel sad at how lucky we are. Sometimes, do you know what I mean? Sometimes I think.
I hate these things. I've already put me off then. I was trying to steer and this thing got in the way. Like, it proper scared the crap out of me. Look at it. That's a god and a half, mate. Huh? I can't tell if the car's on. Vehicle! I need to... No, breakdown, yeah, that's it. It's on? Yeah, it's electric in it. Yeah, it's this hybrid, isn't it?
You're on the...
TPMS. I'm trying to think. Where would that be? It's not on there.
Turn the ignition on, just do TPMS. Oh, very good. You see it?
How do I turn it off?
You see it, and I'll do this.
Yeah. No, no. Just do TPMS.
I've got a TPMS, right? That's it. No, no TPMS.
Right. I'll check the system just in case, but it probably doesn't.
What, the Godfather?
Somewhere over here. I think it's not that one. On the computer system. Well, can you see a fucking TPMS button, mate? But the system says it was wrong. Who cares about the system? The system does get things wrong, though. Do you know what? You can't see it. It's pointless spending that fucking hours finding it. Oh, yeah, fuck it. I don't care. Well, I do care. Oh, come on. Steady on.
How's he overtaking me? Is it 20 or 30 here?
30.
Well, I'm going 25.
What colour does he want?
This is it.
Ooh.
Oh, very nice.
Isn't it festive? There is over £51,000. That must be last year. I just turn around. Okay, pick a different one. WBO. So you say...
What an idiot.
Moron. Right. Shows them.
Anyway, well, it was kind of stalemate, 0-0 at half time, one of those games.
Yeah, dull.
Yeah, it was pretty dull. And then we scored. They scored.
Scotch whiskey. 49 quid. This is day two. Day two. Listening to whiskey. He's dead to us. Dead
Good morning, Alan. Morning. Merry Christmas.
Oh, Merry Christmas
I've
to
told
you.
Alan to a Facebook Live because no rude hand gestures.
I would never do that.
Know what you like?
Now, Alan,
We did the same one.
ask me how I'm feeling.
How are you feeling?
I'm walking in the air.
Sorry.
You hadn't said that.
Oh.
Absolutely right.
You're going to sing it as well, probably in the next minute, I would say.
No.
So who
But
wants?
we are going to play a round of Guess the Hymn. Oh, it's going to be coming around with this. Cheers and bye!
Are you serious?
Merry Christmas, everybody's having fun. Look to the future now, it's only everybody's. He's having a beer. What time is it?
9:32.
I know it's Christmas Eve, but AGM or Verve 2 and shit. English, French, and Spanish.
It's like middle lane, whatever the speed, you know? I'll change speed all the time, but I just want to stay in this lane. I guess he got confused because he didn't know which one was the middle lane anymore.
not having them. Someone else said exactly the same. 3 people are doing the same as you. I'm a bit confused by this car park.
Yeah.